Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting with Bella. I am back with a new video, and can I just say, oh my god, I can't believe it's almost a year since I uploaded a video. I was checking on my YouTube channel and the last video I uploaded was on March 16, and I am excited to be back with more videos. I have expanded my crafting space, so I'm still trying to find the right angle. I don't like this angle so much, but hopefully in the next video I find a better angle for you guys, so you guys won't be seeing my elbow so much. So before I start talking and just saying nonsense, let's get started with this video and show you guys the materials. So this centerpiece could work for a baptism, for a baby shower, a birthday party for a girl. You guys can make it different colors. I'm using pink and silver, but you guys could use whatever colors you guys want. I'm using this paper lantern, and I got this one at a 99-cent store. I have a Dollar King close to my house, so that's where I buy most of my stuff. But you guys could find this probably at another 99-cent store or maybe at Party City. So I'm using this. I'm using this Styrofoam Disc, and this one is 10 inches. You guys could leave this aside. I want to use it just to see how it looks, but you guys don't have to. So I'm using this round styrofoam, and I'm using a piece of cardstock to cover the styrofoam. So that, and I'm using a couple of different ribbon. So I'm using these small ones, and it's a gray and pink, and this white with pink. And I got all this at Michael's. They came in a little bundle. Well, the pink ones came in a little bundle, and then the gray ones came in another bundle. And then I'm using this other ribbon. I'm using a wooden dowel and these stickers, and I got these at the Dollar King as well. And then I'm using a piece of this styrofoam ball, so I'm just gonna cut this and glue it inside of my basket just to hold the dowel. And then a glue gun and glue stick and some scissors, and that's it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by covering the styrofoam disc, and this is a recycled one that I use for another centerpiece. So I'm just gonna fast forward this and show you guys how I cover it, and I'll be back to show you what's next. I'm done covering the styrofoam. Now I'm gonna work on the paper lantern and the dowel. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some glue just to secure the dowel. Just make sure you guys add a good amount of glue. And once it dries, I'll just add a little bit more, just again to make sure that it's secure. And it doesn't look nice at all, but nobody's gonna be looking up there. It's gonna be facing down, so it shouldn't be a problem. And just add as much glue as you guys think it's necessary. If you guys still see that it's not stable, just keep on adding glue until you're sure that it won't fall off. So I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna grab the piece of styrofoam ball that I cut in half, and I'm gonna glue it inside the bamboo basket. Okay, so I'm done gluing the ribbon, and I'm having a hard time deciding which should I use, if I should use this flower or this one. I thought that these might be a little too big, but now that I see it, I think they might be okay. So I think I'm going to use these. Let's just see how it looks. So what I did here is I added some rocks to the bottom of the centerpiece just to put some weight on it so it won't tip. And if you guys want to leave it like that and obviously add more of those and cover it, I think just like that, it would be nice. So you guys could, that's one option. I don't have any more of those little rocks just to show you how it looks, but I think you guys have an idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some tissue paper. I have these marshmallows that I'm gonna put in there. And these are really old. I forgot I had them, so I'm just using them for the centerpiece, and after this I'm gonna throw them. I bought them a while ago and I was gonna use them for another centerpiece. I just forgot I had them. So that's why they look ugly and nasty, but they are going to the trash after I take a picture. So I added 4 flowers around the basket and I'm done. And now I'm going to show you guys. So if you guys don't want to use this, that's how the centerpiece will look. And if you guys want to add the styrofoam, so this is how I would display it. If it was for a baby shower, I have these here, these boots, and I'm going to use some blocks. So that's how the centerpiece will look if it was for a baby shower. Okay guys, so there's the centerpiece. I hope you guys like this idea. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, comment, and you guys could follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!